Understanding window installation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a practical topic that you might encounter in everyday conversations or when dealing with home improvements: window installation. We're going to break down what this phrase means, its components, and why it's important to know, especially if you're navigating English in real-world scenarios. So, let's get started and unlock the mystery of window installation together. Window installation is a compound noun, where window refers to the glass-paneled frames we have in buildings for light, air, and view, and installation is the process of putting something in place or setting it up. When combined, these words describe the act of fitting windows into a building or structure. It's not just about placing a window in an opening. It involves ensuring the window is correctly secured, sealed, and functional. Why is this phrase worth knowing? Understanding window installation is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it's essential for anyone involved in construction, home improvement, or even if you're just renting or buying a home and need to discuss repairs or upgrades. Knowing this term helps you communicate effectively with professionals and understand what the process entails. Moreover, proper window installation is key to energy efficiency, security, and the overall aesthetics of a building. Now, let's talk about what happens during window installation. It typically involves several steps. 1. Measuring the space to ensure the new window will fit. 2. Removing the old window, if there is one. 3. Preparing the opening for the new window, which might include cleaning, adjusting the size, and ensuring it's level. 4. Fitting the new window into the opening. 5. Securing the window with nails, screws, or clips. 6. Sealing around the window with caulk or another sealant to prevent drafts and water leakage. 7. Finishing touches, like adding trim or painting. Each step is crucial for the window to function correctly and efficiently. That wraps up our discussion on window installation. We hope this video has shed some light on what the process involves and why it's an important concept in both construction and everyday home maintenance. Whether you're discussing a project with a contractor or planning some home improvements yourself, understanding terms like this can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English learning videos. See you in the next one!